the potentially dangerous cargo, and the weight that can exceed 80,000 pounds, which are all contributing factors to the tragedy that can occur if they involved in a accident. When a passenger vehicle is involved in a truck accident, not only is the car catastrophically damaged, but those inside are often critically injured or killed. If you are a loved ones was injured in a truck accident, your family may be dealing with hospital bills. There's a lot of expenses were there when your loved ones is involved in a truck accident in Dallas, the which include the hospital bills, the medical expenses, rehabilitations expenses, lost Vegas and income, lifestyle, lost wages and income, lifestyle modifications to cope with the disability, diminished quality quality of life, pain and suffering. Truck accident cases are more complex than the common car accident, having their own set of state and federal regulation. If you were injured or have experienced the loss of a loved one in a truck accident in the North Texas area, our Dallas Liars can help you. Our Liar can help you hold the negligent party responsible. The common causes of the truck accidents. Okay, guys, here is some common causes of the truck accidents. Truck accidents cause nearly 90,000 injuries and 5,000 deaths as per year in the United States. While there are the number of scenes number of while there are a number of the scenarios which can result in a truck accident, there are some that are more common than the others. Some of the most common causes of the truck accidents are tend to see include the driver fatigue. Okay, guys, here is the some reasons why the truck accidents took place. The number one is the driver fatigue, and then and number two, drug use, the oversized loads or the improperly secured cargo, the reckless driving, overload trucks. Now the overload trucks lead to the more accidents and increase the probability of an accident occurring due to the following issues: increased stopping time and distance, greater risk of the tire blowout, increased downhill speed, the greater risk of the rollover accident, risk of the bridge and over collapse. Override accidents. In an override accident, the front end of large truck runs over a smaller vehicle such as passenger or a motorcycle. There are many potential causes of the override accidents, including the brake failure on the truck driver fatigue, tire